Hello there, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Facebook and Instagram node into n8n. Once you add these nodes and connect them, you can customize them and use them for your automation workflows. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So the basic concept is, let's say you need to have access to two URLs. One is this developers.facebook.com and the second is business.facebook.com. In the first URL, which is developers.facebook.com, we are gonna do two steps. We'll create an app and then we'll add products. Products mean Instagram or Facebook pages. Now in the second URL, business.facebook.com, you have to do three main tasks. You have to add a user, you have to assign assets to those users, and then you have to generate token to be connected to n8n workflow. So let's head over to the first URL. The first URL is the developers.facebook.com. Once you sign up to this URL, you will see a page on the dashboard like this. On the right side top, you will see My Apps. Click on it. Then you have to create an app. So just for the demo purpose, I will create an app. I have so many apps already created. So I will give it a name. For example, n8n demo, and give here your email ID. Click over next. Then the most important thing on this page is you have to select the bottom others, and on this side also you have to select the other. Click on next. Now select business. Click on next. Here verify it's the app name, your contact email. The other business portfolio is optional. So create an app. Now, once you create an app, you will get this page, add products to your app. Here we'll be adding Instagram. So click on setup. Now the Instagram is set up. Go to the left side on the sidebar, click on app settings, click over basic. Here you're gonna put all the details, mainly the URLs. So they require privacy policy URL. So you need to have a website, a basic website where you have a URL for mentioning the privacy policy, but not related specifically for this application. Maybe it's a generic domain you are using for some other website. So here I'm using one of my websites privacy policy URL. Then you have to give a user data deletion. I'm giving a home page for that website. Terms of service URL, I'm assigning again one URL, which I already have. Category you can select related to your app. I'm selecting here utility and productivity. Go to the bottom and save changes. Once the changes are saved, click over on the top. You see this, activate the live button. So once you activate the live button, our developers.facebook portal work is done. Now you have to head over to the business.facebook.com. Once you create your account on this page, you see click over the headings on the bottom sidebar. And the first step you have to do is you have to go in the users tab. You have to open it and go to the system users. And here you see on the right, you have to search by name and add those users. I have already added my name. That's why they appear here. So once you, let's say, add your user, then the next step is to assign assets. So go to the right side, you see here three dots. Click here and go to assign assets. The drop down will open which assets you want to assign, Facebook pages or apps or Instagram accounts. Here, I'm gonna use select all for, let's say, Instagram accounts. And on the right side, click on full control everything. And then click on assign assets. So it's done. Now what you have to do is you have to generate token. The next step is click on generate token. You have to select n8n app and click on next. You can select 60 days or never. Select permissions, which services you want. For instance, in my case, I've selected Instagram basic, Instagram content publish, Instagram manage comments, manage insights, manage messages. That's enough for me to post in Instagram. And then I click on generate token. This is very important part because this value you're gonna use in n8n workflow. So just copy it and maybe you can paste it in your notepad. So I will go to my n8n workflow and click over here. Then maybe I will create a new credentials. I will put it here, that access token, and save it. See, credentials successfully created inside your personals. And that's it. Instagram is now connected. But now one more last step is, let's say if you have this Instagram node and you want to post it. So in this, you can select all these options: credentials, resources, image, operation, publish, or custom API call. Now here, node name, most important thing, what value you're gonna put it here is, you go to your Meta Business Suite, click on done, and here you see on the sidebar Instagram accounts, just click over it, and below your handle, you will see the ID. Copy this ID and input this here. Graph API 2 version, you don't have to do anything here. It's the default version. Image URL, you can just put any image URL for demo purpose and any caption. Then let's test this by executing this step. And you see node executed successfully, showing the output as. So that's it. Our job is done. Our task is done. In upcoming videos, I'm gonna share with you more workflows on how to automate this publishing, content creation on Instagram and Facebook. So stay connected, stay in the loop. If you feel that this video has added any value to your knowledge, kindly consider to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.